My name's Sean. I own ShapTech Truck Repair in Sturtevant, Wisconsin. And I'm working with Snapon today discussing their workbench that they brought by to show us and how to find anything we don't like about it. The height is beautiful. The storage underneath works out for us. We would possibly like to see a shelf. But overall, being able to move it around the shop and have a work surface for us is the key. A work surface that you can mount a bench vise to, load up with as much weight as you want pretty much around here, which I've rarely seen a table that we've had to load more than 2,000 pounds on. We do absolutely love the purple and gray. It's definitely everything we'd be looking for in a workbench. You got a great group of engineers that have shown us some wild stuff and are excited about what they do, so it excites us. And that really has been quite the experience with these guys. And it's likewise here. We appreciate the opportunity to check stuff out and help develop it in any way we